Are you looking to get your hair white platinum blonde? In this video, we'll show you how to do it. As you can see, our model today has a really dark base and really curly hair. And that's typically a challenge when you're looking to lift and tone. To start off, we're going to use Ugly Duckling Brilliant Blonde X Bleach with 10 volume, which we're going to apply onto the dark root and also quickly onto the ends because they're still very yellow. Now we're going to pre-tone the hair with high lift, intense golden blonde. We're doing this for a couple of reasons. One, even after bleaching, the hair is not that even canvas that we really need in order to take the hair white platinum blonde. And two, the gold that we're going to put in, that will help complement the purple of the toner that we're going to put in after that, and that will make sure the blonde color is really rich and long lasting. So now we're ready for our purple toning. We're using Blondify Natural Violet Blonde 010V. So this is a purple based toner which is ammonia free and which contains Bond Protect. When you apply the toner, you're going to see the hair turn blue and even green. Don't get scared. That is a purple based toner doing its job, turning the hair white platinum blonde. So after toning, we use Brilliant Blonde X shampoo and mask. Both contain Bond Protect, so this will make the hair thicker and fuller and healthier. So here's the final result. We went from a dark base and yellow hair to this pure white platinum blonde with no grey, no yellow, just an even, consistent white blonde colour.